everybody, it's Jason again with myrvresource.com. It's like the yellow pages for RV services. Today, I'm coming at you with another weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. Today I'm inspecting this brand new Class C. Now, we've already showed you this issue once that we found. It is a life safety issue. But the more important thing about this issue is they left the pre-delivery checklist in the RV, so we know what's been done, right? And so let's just take a quick look at that. Right there, you see it, folks. That is their pre-delivery inspection. Okay, detailers have a checklist. The porter's got a checklist for things that he does before they pick it up. That checklist only has what, 6-7 items on it. We as inspectors, we say it's 100 and something points, but it's really more like 300 things we inspect. And of those things, there may be even more things that we're inspecting that you don't see in the report, but we're actually looking at them, and if there's a problem, we put it in the report. You know, like the refrigerator, we put it in there once, but the seals may be bad. You know, the thermistor may be wrong. It may not work. There's all kinds of things that we're checking on that one item that really just adds to our inspection. So, real quick, going to go outside and I'm going to show you what I found so far. This is a life safety issue. Once again, this is a 2023 Class C RV. So let's just go around and take a peek. And right here we see our water heater. We open the door. Rubber grommet is not sealed. You can clearly see in through there behind the pipe. None of the other grommets are sealed. And none of the screws that hold it in place. So carbon monoxide can now get into the RV when that's on, right? So carbon monoxide can kill. It's a life safety issue. So real quick before we leave, let's just take a look and see what the manufacturer date of this is. Today is December 8th, 2022. December 8th, folks. As you can see right there, it was built in November of 2022. So this unit is less than a month old probably. And we saw the pre-delivery checklist. You know, that thing that the dealership tells you don't need an inspection because they do one. We saw their list. So, is a pre-delivery inspection by an independent certified inspector worth what you pay for it? Yes, if it's a certified inspector. And you know, there's lots of people out there doing this that aren't certified inspectors. There's some that may be techs. Techs aren't trained to inspect an RV. They are trained to repair the appliances, all the, you know, the floors, the walls. They're trained to fix them, not find the issue. You may run into a place where they hire auto mechanics to go out, spend 45 minutes to an hour with the RV to tell you what's wrong with it. I'm going to be here at this small little Class C, no slide outs, for 4.5 hours today. And that's if I don't find a lot of things wrong. So, once again, with your weekly one reason, I showed you the pre-delivery checklist for this dealership. 6 items they check. That's that inspection that they tell you they're going to do, that you don't need someone like me out here. So, weekly one reason to get an RV inspection. That checklist right there. And you solve the life safety issue. I'm 2 hours into this inspection. So, this is Jason. You have a nice day.